And just like that ham salad, I made cheesy cream of broccoli soup with my leftover steamed broccoli from Thanksgiving dinner. The biggest thing about this recipe is don't ask me how much of this and how much of that. Let me tell you how I did it. I started with about a fourth of a cup of chopped onion and about a teaspoon of garlic and 6 tablespoons of butter, and I put it in the bottom of a pot and I sauteed that for about 5 minutes. Then I added about 6 cups of chicken stock to the pot, brought that to a roaring boil, added in my steamed cooked broccoli, and then I pureed that. Stirred it up and added 4 cups of shredded cheddar cheese and just let that melt, and it thickened the soup up so nicely. I topped it off with some paprika and some French onion crisps. Oh, what a delight. Enjoy.